if you've been keeping up with Love Island, USA season 6, which like majority of the US, literally everywhere on TikTok, I'm literally so obsessed with Leah, as we all are. Like, we all want the best for her. But if you know Rob, he's going on Call Her Daddy podcast tomorrow, and I just want to know y'all's opinion on it. Like, what do y'all think? Like, what's he gonna say tomorrow? Like, the truth? Like, lies? I don't know. What's he gonna say? But comment your opinion, because I'm curious. He did my girl Leah dirty. He fumbled her. They were like, I thought they were the egg couple. I thought they were like straight out of a book, straight out of a movie. I thought they were perfect. Sucks. But then Leah and Miguel like got together, so I'm like pretty happy for that, because they're pretty good together. So Leah's chilling. She got her fame. She ran. She has a perfect reputation because of reality TV. But Rob over here, his reputation got tarnished a little bit. Call Her Daddy's gonna maybe, I don't know what he's gonna say tomorrow, but probably gonna try to use positive press to like promote his reputation and get it back on track, because reality TV can be fake, and like they control the narrative on reality TV, all the producers. So to get views, obviously, like they want people to watch. So if you find yourself in a position like Rob and you are on reality TV as well, contact Rsquare Media at the link in our bio, and we will give you a free consultation today.